Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment declined by your bank issue in 2025. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is contact your bank immediately. This is the most crucial step because the decline message directly from your bank and they have the specific reason. So call the number at the back of your card or visit a branch. Next, you have to ask the branch representative why payment was declined. The common reasons include insufficient funds, transaction limits, suspicious acts, that is fraud, alert, card issues because your card might be expired, blocked, or restricted for certain types of transaction. Also, incorrect information. Although the message may say by your bank, double check if you've entered the correct card number, expiring date, and CVC code on the payment page. A mismatch here can also trigger a decline that appears to originate from the bank. Do not forget to follow the bank's instruction. Based on the reason, the bank will provide necessary steps to resolve the issue. This might involve transferring funds to your account, requesting a temporary or permanent increase in your transaction limits, verifying the transaction if it was flagged as suspicious, and getting a replacement card if it was expired or blocked. It's important for you to know that you should avoid repeatedly trying the payment with the same card until you've spoken to your bank. Multiple failed attempts may trigger further security blocks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next